Hey, Chris here, welcome back to the channel. So yes, this video is going to be taking you through how to complete the Copybet welcome offer and getting on the laptop and literally showing you everything involved to go through it and make some guaranteed profit. I have indeed done this offer myself already, and I will leave a link to a blog post that I've done sharing with you exactly what profit I made from this offer. As usual, I'll also leave the Profit Boss Match Betting Facebook group link there down in the description. If you want to get joined up, there's nearly 5,000 members we're cracking on for now, so definitely get joined up if you're not yet in there. But having said that, here we are then on the Copybet website, and we are straight here on the free bet promo page. So I'll explain how this offer works, and then we'll go through how to set the offer up so you can take as little qualifying loss as possible and make as much profit as possible from these £40 worth of free bets. So scrolling down the page, then it says each new client of Copybet can receive free bets worth £40 to use on Copybet Sportsbook. So they do have a couple of different sites here within Copybet. They've got the Sportsbook side where you can just go and place bets for yourself on whatever you want, you know, in like a regular sportsbook basically. And they also have the Copybet side, so you can go on and find tipsters and copy whatever bets they're doing. I've gone through those tipsters, quite a few of them, if not all of them actually, and I haven't found any tipsters on there that are actually making a good, consistent profit, which is kind of why I'm a bit excited to be sharing my Betfair trades on there, because I literally feel like I'm going to be the first person to produce profitable results for people that you can follow along to. But let's not get into that. I'm going to do that separate video for that anyway. But let's see here. So as we scroll down, how does it work? So sign up with Copybet and verify your profile. Really, really straightforward and simple to do. And this is a bit confusing here. So on the little image here, it says draw 1.37, £10. So it's as if it's saying bet £10 on something that's 1.37 odds. And actually, if you look below, it says place a qualifying bet at our sportsbook with at least £10 and 1.5 or greater odds. So if you place £10 on 1.37, you wouldn't actually qualify for the £40 of free bets. So strange that it's got that there. That's really weird. But anyway, make sure that the back odds are at least 1.5 when you bet your tenner. Then you'll get, as it says here, 4 free bets worth £10 each. Now, scrolling down from that, it says how to use your free bet. So choose one of the sports. So you get a £10 free bet for football, tennis, basketball, or cricket. You get those for each sport there. I just went on the football one and saw £10, but you do need to go onto those other sports to get the full £40 worth of free bets. And it says you can place the bets on live or pre-match. I'd recommend going on pre-match, so before the game has started, because live the odds can be jumping around and it's not very good to be doing that. Obviously, if that was a straight-up gambler looking at that, they wouldn't care about, you know, getting stable odds for doing match betting on them. They'd just punt it on whatever they wanted during the match. It does say only use single bet type, so you can't do any accumulators. And just some negatives here. It's saying there's no cash out. So yeah, no cash out. Pretty self-explanatory there. It says the payout for the free bets cannot exceed £500, meaning you don't want to be doing any massive back odds bets there, because if it happened to win, then you would not get anything over the £500. So yeah, just something to bear in mind there if you're punting any of these. And then it says following the qualifying bet, free bets expire after 30 days. So you will more than likely qualify for the free bet and then complete the offer within a day or two, depending if you're busy. But I think most people will be able to fit time in before that 30 days is up. And then scrolling further down on the page, you can actually click see full terms and conditions. That's basically all you need to know there. And then that's it. That's all the guide there. So if we jump over to the sportsbook site here, when you go onto this, at the top left hand, like kind of top middle left hand corner-ish, it says in play pre-match, tipsters and stats center. So you want to click on pre-match, and obviously that's just going to load you up with sports that have not yet started, make this whole thing much easier for match betting on it. Then in the top middle, it's very dark there, so you have to look for it next to the time. So it'll say fractional. Now, because we're match betting here, you want to click on decimal, and that's going to then just easily change everything straight over to decimal. Sometimes these bookmaker sites can be really, really complicated with where you change those odds, so great that they've set it up right there, bang in front of you. There's no searching around for it. Now, in order to find these qualifying bets, well, one qualifying bet that we're going to place £10, and then get these free bets, we need to use a match betting software. So if we go over to OddsMonkey, and as usual, if you're not yet joined up to OddsMonkey, there is my link below, and ProfitBoss50 is the promo code. Will get you that 50% off. So you literally save half off the first month of subscription fee there. But if we go onto this site then, OddsMonkey, and click on Odds Matcher here, this big blue button on the left-hand side, and this is using the old site, by the way. If you want to log in through the old site, when you go in onto login, there is an option there, log into OddsMonkey using old site. I just prefer the old site. I'm not too big of a fan of the new one. Sorry, OddsMonkey, if you're watching. But on here, we can go down and click Filter. So on this Odds Matcher, click on Filter, click Limit Bookmakers, and then we'll obviously just select Copybet. That's all we want to see. And then we'll go ahead and just have football as the selected sport. And for minimum back odds, because remember we want 1.5 at least, we'll go ahead and put in minimum there, 1.5 and to 100, but ideally 1.5 is absolutely fine. Minimum liquidity, we're only doing £10 on it, so we could put £20 just to make sure there is enough liquidity for us. And then you just select which exchange you're using. So I'm using Smarkets. If you have OddsMonkey, you can connect it to Smarkets, and then you'll pay 0% commission for all your lay bets. So of course, it'd be a silly thing not to do that. So I've just got Smarkets selected there, and I'm going to press Apply Filter. Now we're going to just see, okay, we've just got the football bets showing up then. And we're going to look on the back odds here firstly and look for, okay, they're all pretty low. You don't really want to be putting too much money into it. Obviously, the higher the back odds, the more money it's going to take up at your Smarkets account. So you might be doing other match bets. If the back odds are like 10.0, it's going to take up a lot of liquidity. It's going to take up like £90, isn't it, to put nearly £10 on it. So anything under like 3, sort of 1.5 to 2.5 is fine. And for a rating percentage, anything below 100% is fine. We don't want to get on anything over 100% because that's an ARB, but 96 to sort of 100%, really, really good. So we'll click on this information tab here. This is showing as 96.05%. And in the calculator mode, we'll have that set as normal and a £10 bet on there. And you can see that setting this up, so this is Scottish League Cup football, and the back odds are at 2.19, lay odds at 2.28. And that's going to cost us 40 pence there to back and lay. So remember, backing it at Copybet, the £10, laying at Smarkets to cover all the outcomes. So no matter what the outcome there, we can see if the team that we're getting on wins, we're going to lose 40p. If they don't win, we'll just lose 39 pence. So really, really small qualifying loss there. Now, just to run through with you how you would find this bet over on Copybet, because I want to make sure this is a nice thorough guide for you. All you would do is go over to the, of course, back over to Copybet, and you just type in, so the team's called Anan, and then I'm guessing the ATH is, would it be Athletic? Athletic, yeah. So Anan then. So all you do here, over on Copybet, on this left-hand side, top left sort of corner, it says search. So click that, and we're going to put in ANNAN. Then it's going to load up, and you can see it's the top one that's come in there. So we'll just click that. Then over here on the right-hand side, it's going to load it up, and you can see match result, Anan Athletic FC. Yes, it is Athletic. Back odds 2.19, and this match is actually saying so 16th of July at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So you just confirm over here, yeah, 16th of July, 3 in the afternoon, and then it's match odds, back odds at 2.19. You would see, yep, that's all matching up nice and sweet there. You'd select that as a bet. That's going to then load up the bet slip, and you'd literally just put £10 in there. Really, really quick and easy. Click on place bet, and that's it. You've qualified for this £40 worth of free bets. Now, once you've qualified, you do need to wait for that match to finish for you to get the free bets. But once you qualified, because as we know, you're going to get these 4 different free bets on football, tennis, basketball, and cricket, I personally would just be backing and laying the football bet. So you would go back to the odds matcher, you go onto the filter, and because you want minimum back odds for a free bet of around like 5.0, we'll go ahead and press apply there and see if we can find a match straight away. And yeah, a couple of matches have come up. So if we click this top one here, and then we select the calculator to free bet stake not returned, and it's still £10. So you can see by getting on that one, backing and laying it, we're going to get £7.45 guaranteed no matter what. And we've taken 40 pence roughly on the qualifying loss. So £7 guaranteed from the football part of the free bet offer. Now, what you have on top of that then also is, of course, another three £10 free bets. But because the basketball, cricket and tennis liquidity for, just betting, match betting is so terrible, and because tennis actually have different retirement rules on the Copybet site and on the exchange, you can actually lose money if a retirement happens. So it's very complicated. You don't want to get into that. So what I would recommend is you actually just place back bets without laying them for the tennis, basketball and cricket. I mean, if I just show you here on the odds matcher, we'll do a quick search. I'll put this back to 1.5. So, and you wouldn't even want 1.5, you want 5.0 as the back odds. But if we just select cricket and basketball, and then also we'll select tennis as well. Actually, but you wouldn't want to lay it. You won't want to lay a tennis bet because of the different retirement rules. But you can see there anyway, all those three sports there, even with really, really low back odds, which would mean rubbish profit, match betting it, there's no result that's come up. So as I say, that's what I would do. You would just take that guaranteed £7 no matter what with the football free bet that you get, but with the others, just punt them there. And I would probably say get on something like 2.5 as the back odds, something like that for each of those £10 free bets. But that is going to do it for this video. Of course, if you've had any value, please do press the like button below. And until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.